So, hello children, let us see what is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is nothing but reciprocal of a number is known as multiplicative inverse. Now, what is reciprocal? Reciprocal means reversing. Reversing a numerator into a denominator and a denominator into a numerator. Now, for example, if I have a fraction 2 upon 5. So, reciprocal it. Reciprocal means reverse. You will make the denominator as your numerator, so it becomes 5, and numerator as denominator, that becomes 2. Similarly, 4 upon 7. So, reciprocal of 4 upon 7 is 7 upon 4. Now, 9. Children, as I told you, every whole number is considered to have the denominator as 1. So, they never give the denominator as 1 for the whole numbers, but you have to keep this in your mind. So, 9 is a whole number. Considering that 1 is in the denominator, when I reciprocal it, I get 1 upon 9. And the last one, this is a mixed fraction. The very first thing you have to do is convert it into an improper fraction. I get it as 11 upon 5. So, 11 upon 5 का reciprocal हो जाएगा 5 upon 11. So, this is what known as reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Now we continue with division of fraction, children. Division of fraction is not that different from multiplication of fraction. There is one step that we have to just change. Now first let us see dividing a whole number with a fractional number. As you can see, my first is a whole number and the second is a fractional number. So 4 whole number. Considering the denominator as 1, this I can write it as 4 upon 1. Now what you need to do is the second number, the second one, always you have to consider the second one. Let it be a whole number, let it be a fractional number. What I will do is I will first reciprocal it. So 1 upon 4 becomes 4 upon 1. When you reciprocal it, keep in your mind that you will convert this division sign into a multiplication sign. So division is nothing but opposite of division is multiplication, and reciprocal is one and the same. So 4 upon 1 into 4 upon 1. Now you can do it same like the multiplication one. Multiplying the numerator and denominator, I get 4 into 4, 1 into 1, that is equals to 16. This has to be 1 into 1, that is 1. It is okay because it makes a whole, and I have simply written it as 16. Let us see the C1, 9 divided by 1 upon 3. Now 9 is a whole, I consider the denominator as 1. You will never do anything, no reciprocal to be done for the first one. Reciprocal is always meant for the second number. So now 9 upon 1, convert this division sign into multiplication in the second step. Now reciprocal the second one. So 1 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 1. Now 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. I can simply write 27 upon 1 as 27. Continue, children. Let me take the K1. 9 divided by 5 upon 8. As 9 is a whole, I consider the denominator as 1. I have written it as 1. Multiplied by, now division converts into multiplication sign, and I reciprocal the second one. So 5 upon 8 becomes 8 upon 5. I could see that nothing is getting reduced. So 9 8s gives me 72 and 5 1s gives me 5. This is an improper fraction. So I write it into a mixed fraction as 14 upon 14, 2 by 5. Now I move forward with my practice time 11. Divide by finding the reciprocal. Now I could see that I am dividing a fraction with a whole. All same, children. Again, as I told you, the first one will never be changed. So 1 upon 3, convert the division sign into multiplication sign and reciprocal the second one. Now second one I consider the denominator as 1. When I reciprocal, it becomes 1 upon 5. Continue the steps with the multiplication. 1 into 1 is 1 and 3 into 5 is 15. I'll show you the E1 now. 3 upon 6 is kept as it is. Division sign converted into multiplication, and the second one is reciprocal. 2 upon 1 becomes 1 upon 2. Now I could see that 3 and 6 can be reduced. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now simply multiply numerator and denominator. I get 1 upon 4. Let me show you the last sum from this, that is the N1. 2 upon 8 divided by 2. I write 2 upon 8 as it is. Division converted to multiplication, and reciprocal of 2 gives me 1 upon 2. I could see that 2 and 8 can be reduced, and also 2 and 2 can be reduced. So it is depending on you what you have to reduce. Here I have reduced 2 and 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, everywhere it becomes 1. So I could see that 1 ones is 1 and 8 ones is 8. Now I will show you question number 4. Divide without using the diagram. Now here children, this division is division of a fraction with a fraction. Very simple again. First fraction to be kept as it is, division converted to multiplication, and reciprocating the second fraction, I get 5 upon 2. Now I could see nothing can be reduced. So 5 into 1 5, 3 into 2 6. Let us see the G1. 2 upon 6 divided by 2 upon 3. 2 upon 6 kept it as it is. Division converts into multiplication. Reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. I could see 2 and 6 can be reduced, and also 2 and 2. So here again I have reduced 2 and 2, and also 3 and 6 can be reduced. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So what is remaining is 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 1 is 2.